Okay, Tim. Yeah, talk soon. Hey there. I'm Richard Karn, DoMyOwn's Chief Solutions Officer. Welcome to my office. We're here to answer all your lawn care questions because, trust me, I've been there. It can feel a little overwhelming if you don't know where to start. So that's where the pros at DoMyOwn step in. They're like your friendly next-door neighbor who's not afraid to get down and dirty in the weeds. And with their help, I found that I really could do my own lawn care. You might even say I got a little obsessed. In fact, they named me their Chief Solutions Officer, and we want to help you earn that title too. So, hop on DoMyOwn.com with all your lawn care questions. We'll be waiting.